Yeah, man, cinnamon. Yo, Trinidad. Magnum explosion. Summer stage. August the 10th. As well, man, I say my fans and my supporters. You don't know. Due to circumstances beyond my control. You don't know. I'm not going to be able to make it at this event. But the show must go on. You know what I say? Yeah, man, big up the promoter them. Because the promoter them been doing a lovely job with, you don't know, presentation and promotion. Making sure that all of the artists them, you know, get there and perform for the people them. You know what I say? I want to know, say, yo, this have nothing to do with the promoter them. Them been doing a lovely job. You know what I say? Matter of fact, you don't know, them are the first person we can book Rygin King for your event for forward in Trinidad right now. Is what I say, and you don't know we are going to sort out that date. Is what I say. Until then, you don't know me love you, or update you with further more information. And you don't know the recovery album out right now. Support it, get it, follow the journey. Is what I say. Big up the promoter them. Is what I say. You know, and big up the people them. Is what I say. I'm love you. Is what I say. Yeah, the Magnum explosion. Make sure so you get there too. Because a whole heap of bad artists are already there. Is what I say. Some veteran acts. Is what I say. Yeah, man. So make sure so you get there. August the 10th, summer stage. Is what I say. Rygin King says so. Love you. Bye.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you have a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagger and the one I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it and so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with dancehall artist Rygin King, because basically what he's trying to say, because of court. You know, he got arrested for illegal firearm possession the other day in New York. Because of that, he's not allowed to leave the state, much less go out of country to fulfill, as you can see, his contractual agreements. You see, some people putting out the comment section what you think about that, because me telling they said this is not going to be an easy thing, especially when him have a public defendant. You know what I mean? They're just going to drag this thing out until he eventually have a cop a plea. And if he takes it to trial, they're going to hit him with the guilty verdict. And he's going to spend the maximum years in there, 15 years. You see what I say? So you hear him say the date August 10th. And as you can see in front of you, his next court appearance is August 1st. So why wouldn't he be able to make it? Obviously, the bail stipulations he has on himself, you know, you have to report to like the bail's office 2 times a day, all of them things, you see me. So best for the promoter them is to, you know, see if them can hold a dance in New York and, you know, collect a food over there, so you see me. Until then, I'm not sure when this is gonna be over, you see me, but I'm just giving you an update what going for that going. So all of the dancehall artists gonna use this Buju Banton as an example, what another Fedora farming. Yeah, let's proceed. Now, this thing with Abel Boss, boy, oh boy, oh boy, I don't know what to say, you know, because him say he's not a scammer, but it look like, you know, he broke the girl's heart, as you can see. The man, you know, I do him things to get UK visa and all of these things, and then you see she a release message, you know, with him saying, you know, his girl is pregnant, I have to leave him alone because, you know, she's a hard girl to deal with. You see, my people, I'm not going to read out all of these messages. These ones specifically was from Abel Boss. And the last one that you saw previously, well, you know, the pregnancy thing, is from Lady Louise. It's says she released like the whole messages, you feel me, between them, you know, while Abel Boss just picked and choose to release some. You see what I says? So, you know, he had to protect his brand, so he went live and, you know, addressing all of those things. So the videos that you're gonna see side of him talking, the first one is going to be from Lady Louise, obviously. And then the ones that you're seeing now, when you see it next to him, it's going to be his. You see what I say? And these basically, to summarize it, he's exposing Lady Louise is not a nice person because she's teaming up with Blinger and all of these people to bring him down. But yet still, just the other day, she was disrespecting them with him behind the scenes. And I mean, so just like and share the video from now on our social media platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's hear what Abel Boss is saying, because, man, not lie, people. You know, they might deal with him away, you know, but, you know, that's all Jamaicans know. You see me?
I see when most of it done, we don't have no sense. And that is it. Most of us want to say something around the worse we hate somebody. If you can put two tools together, that lady come live in a blinger box and said she done with this, she not come on live no more. That's what she said. The case is with her bank and her police them, and they will cancel if I'm scamming you. Anybody have any link to a lawyer, an attorney, a police or whoever, ask them if it's smart enough for have a case and post allegedly evidence on social media. That's what she's doing. You don't have no case. You're not going to see me lock up because you don't have no case, because it's not a scam. But me take two accountability and me deserve punishment for it. Trusting a person too much with my personal info for so long, and flirting with someone I really consider as a friend, because the two of us flirt together really a lot. But there are times when she remind me say, and me remind she that we're friends, but deep within her, she want more than that, I realized. Even right now. If my people tell me say them pregnant today. For instance, my people tell me say them pregnant today. 2 days after me call you as a friend, which me should do, and me share the information because you already know say I have a woman. And because me tell you that, I yes saw it there. If me never tell you that, you'd still the over here. You'd still at the local antics. Remember, there is so much month for baby born. If me a scam you, me have so much month with you before me tell you that. And you not send me no bag of money transaction. One to these people, bro. Come on, man, tell the truth, man. Admit say everything you do because I hurt. But the picture them what you paint is not true. Me understand why everything you do because you hurt, but the picture them is not true, because your intention with me, you never get it. I weaponize the people that wanna like me, Blinger and the rest of people, because you don't like Blinger. Me just post something you don't like the woman. You go over there and say, me tell you to stop shoot for hero, and I you stop shoot for the man. Just because you know say, I look at pre-mens the over there so, and I look at pre-mens the over there so, your plan was so smart enough, you laugh. Your plan is so smart enough, you laugh, and me just see it. Me post, you know, just watch my last post. You don't like Blinger. But true Blinger love to jump on a able. You put her in your plan, but you have to use Raja first, because Raja is our friend. And just try a local argument they go on to me and dog hero with World Cup and shit. You go up there and say, me tell you for stop shoot for him. You ever talk about Wobia, everything on the people them talk, you add in your story because you know say nothing no go so. Anything reach me, you know, and me make you know, because you get too much information, I'm cross too much bridge here as a friend, but you know say everything is a lie. You know that. You don't have no case from me. The email, the whatever. Me never tell a story for tell your bank. Me have all of them on my phone. Every story I you tell them, say me and your cousin, I irritated to my mother. You say you want the bank to prove it. The bank prove say my name Philip Wright and my mother name Jessica Bartley. And so comes the ID picture them come in. Which scammer gonna do that? Because your account locked down, because you recharge, you over recharge, and you want to shoot on the app. That is the reason why your account locked down. But I just start my story in the contents and I will take time post them. Title by title. You know, so you come on to Raja. Me never yet tell you, don't gift that dude. You may look for things where close to it, but that is not it. You know that. Raja have a different story by himself. Nothing bad, but all of them up on my page. My voice, my opinion to you. Because listen, what day I never have much sponsors for my talent show. And people that bring me down say, me alone for pay the million. Because they must say, me a benefit off a TikTok. You see me? Me understand that everybody part, but this was a private conversation again to somebody who me think me could have trust. But me valid to my opinion. When I said, this now gonna look good for him because you know him a benefit. Like everybody else, no matter how small as a 5 bills. You see me? And me say, yo, it not gonna look good for him. Me must can do it by himself. And then everybody gonna have the same opinion where everybody else have. Everybody have their own mind, but this was private. Everybody on social media says something private about someone. And even worse, every one of them. Every single one of them. You call me. You ask me a question if you should go over the game. You call me and I tell you the same thing. Go and go support your boy. Roger got the 3 bills. Why them not talk so Roger got the 3 bills? And I like him never get it. If me I take food all time out, Louise wouldn't sponsor him that day. Common sense. If me that take food, I valued my own opinion to her privately. But yet again, on the phone call, not through it not written, I told you, go and do your thing. Just like in the rest of things them where I should feel me tell you, go and sponsor your boy. Him for say him did get the money regardless. Look through that. But you're not going to say me tell you go and go support him. Because you need for come to me or ask me. So you see them two accountability them really have to take, bro. Trust and the flirting back and forth with her. But at the end of the day, during the flirting, I always remind her and say, yo, I have a woman, you know. Right up to the top, to the end. I will always remember so we are friends. But that was private. I never selling a dream. No relationship dream. So me not get married, me never do this, me never do that. You know you not have no case for me. You know say you look at talk now. Them coulda, I can tell you, so them tell you so me not scam you. So that's why you start post on social media. All I look at flirting and thing for make it weaponize the whole of the crowd. But me go take time post. Hello? But you see the people who are disappointed in me, I really and truly apologize. You see me? My friends, my family, when I hurt and disappointed in certain ways, I apologize for that. My fans, when I disappointed in certain ways, I apologize for that. You see me? Jaja. You see me? But one thing I'm not going to take. Nobody never tarnish my brand wrongfully. In never reach a level there. And what my people for understand is, remember say I'm me and I'm only in the spot. This is a more than a mockery. People are team of people who carry feelings for me. I jump on a wagon and I say things for the longer time. People may never catch up before, are frightened. Me not trouble people, me is a humble youth. Me not trouble people, I'm always in my corner. Me not pick on people. When you know that. Yet again, my personal life, now nothing to do with the matter. It no matter who me a fuck, who me did a fuck, or who me think me a fuck. Everybody a adult. That no make no sense. Me not see how that is a problem to people. That no make no sense. Me wonder how people rejoice for that. And yet again, me soon go over Queen page, bro. I wanna do to her, wanna laugh, wanna bully her down, bro. For what? What she do? What she do wrong? When not easy, you know. When if you look on yourself, brother. What she do? When I make content off of her. I'm not even talk about me. Off of she. And I bring down her brand and her character. For what? What she do wrong? She not have no wrong in this. And someone, woman, boy, me I tell you no. wicked. What the lady do wrong, Rygin? Remember, when I work for a team up and I do anything for it, not going to accomplish. Remember, I tell you that. Me no name able for nothing. Able have a meaning, yeah? Remember, I tell you. We don't want to drag other supporters in this. To make them say me a tell them to shoot for nobody. Well, I just show my people them we used to shoot for them to shoot for me now. They don't like it, brother. But if you see a man I get cancel off him work. You know, if them could have come and talk and say, yo, no. Me give Eva Boss genuine, man. Eva Boss don't do me nothing. We not bother the people if just come and say some shit, brother. So now go for all of the people will build me history and build my success. Like some never did nothing over here to get support for the history me have over this. When TikTok did nice, Eva Boss one was the mainstream of them rank over here will help the place for nice. None of them something never normally happen. When I talk about money greed and this and that, I may give away millions over this. When no fan of people them not do, bro. You live and you learn, it's not too late. You live and you learn, it's not too late. No matter how old you be or young you be. You see me? Gage, big up yourself, you hear that? Big up yourself, Gage. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, yeah. And big up the people in my, you know, text, call and all them something there. Hello?
Yeah, but yeah, go on with. Yeah, me dupe still. You know me love you. You understand? And you did do the thing for me with hands on heart with my assistant living at my Airbnb. But what me I say? Keep up with good
Good
works. No
works.
make
No make
nobody
nobody
get you
get you
down.
down. Bumbuk, yo, Abel.
Yo.
What you deal with?
Hold on there. Hold on there. I'm here gauge a bit.
Yeah, move like you run from the 6.
No,
Brother, my
man.
team ready for gear 6, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Yo, stop follow up certain thing, man. I want to you. The bumbo clock there. Start up a white something, put on something nice and drive out in I sit and go feel some cold breeze. The AC post to connect up in the right way. You there say a bumbo clot. I want to you. I want to you. You got people, my friend, me tell you this. You got people see them way. You hear me? I tell you, I have the people, I love you, my friend. I want to you. Bumbo clot, you hear me? Tell you a real problem already, you know, dog. You know, when I look love and likes from people over here, I tell you a real problem already, my friend. I bumbo clot podium pelly, I problem. Bumbo clot do you? Get back off of this shit and get back to being podium pelly. The fuck do you? Get off of this shit and get back to being podium pelly. And you make this a continue so long, you know. We done with this long time, you know. 9 days. 9 days, 9 days. Catch them already. Get back to the shit. Fuck do you? Get back to the shit. And stop follow up this, my friend. You have to do it. You not have to do nothing. And you want to do it. You don't have to do nothing and you want to do it. Get back. Get back. Podium. Rank. And that's why he's sitting there. Get back. How you over there start do this for? Man, get back to the shit. Let me tell you something, my friend. Chatting off a guan. Look chatting off a guan. Lego that now. Continue upon where we know you for. Continue upon the shit where we know you for. You hear me? I tell you. Yeah, continue upon the shit where we know you for. Bumbo clot you they rub chin and I give them something more for talk about. You make too much people relevant now too, you know. You know? Move on, man. Bumbo clot, move on now, man. Loud that, man. Loud them and them chatting. Hey, if I no continue, unless you continue, put sitting there for burn, my friend. Loud that. Loud that. Everybody 4 o'clock a come, man. Loud that. Oh, you mean King Shad podium bumbo clot pelly on that side there? And that only meds are supposed to have over here all different blood clot meds. The Benz no drive sweet. What the fuck you over here, sir, how long up your face suffer? Hear what, man? Everybody have something to go through. You hear my friend? I'm telling you what I don't want to see you do. I don't want to see you get weak in front of them. Post your car, break them and try break you. You're stronger than that. I don't not more for set you. Look how more able. Get back to your shit. Later, my G. Big up your damn self. Love and love alone, man. Look how more.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, father.
A true man, come on. Me not have nothing more to say for you. Come on. We don't want to see you look like this. We want to see you. Make them chat where they want to chat. You be you.
Alright,
you still have to do, so you still have to do something for me Airbnb. Look here, man, me not want to see you call up around yourself. And stop explaining to the whole heap of people them and this and that. It not gonna away. Come out back. You're talking enough. You sure too much proof already.
Mitchie boy, what you talk about? Mitchie, come here. Alright, Fletcher.
Alright, come on, man.
Love yourself. You understand? I'm telling you, this is not a mockery now. This is more than, you know. And it's not even really about me, that I'm a people, bro. Mitchie boy, what you say? Big up yourself for all the gauge. Mitchie, you hear me? I call you.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. People when I go along with this no longer because you know it long already, you know. So please like and share the video from now again on our social media platforms and subscribe and hit the notification bless bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Please.